Alright guys, drop your foam rollers because today's video I'm going to show you how to do self-myofascial release with a barbell. Let's go! Now, I don't hate on foam rolling, I really like it, especially if you need some extra range of motion before getting into an exercise. And foam rollers are great to really roll out or release the front of your body, but where I found that it's tricky is the back of your body, like your hamstrings, your adductors. That's pretty tricky because you can't bend your lower leg away from the foam roller, and sometimes it's tricky to put more pressure onto that foam roller. So did I already mention that I have 3 ways in store for you guys on how to use a barbell to release your muscles? The first one is just a barbell in the power rack on what is like below hip crease level. So you can easily put your leg onto the bar. We're going to use the middle section of the barbell to release the muscle. If you're going in a position like this, you're already going to feel that you can put a lot of weight onto the barbell, so a lot of pressure onto the muscle, which is going to be great if something is really stuck. I can use this for my hamstring, like so, or I can turn a little bit more inwards and really hit that adductor very nicely. Boom. Also, make sure you don't do this in a public gym because it might attract unwanted attention, if you know what I mean. And also, I don't have to do a lot of movements in order to really feel it. And I feel like this is very key because if you have to get yourself into an angle on the foam roller and then you have to apply pressure, I feel that it takes away from mentally focusing on relaxing that muscle. Now let's talk about triceps and forearms. For that, you can take whatever bar as long as it has some sleeves. I want to use the sleeve of the barbell to roll out my forearms. You can roll like this as well. Boom. And you can roll like this. You can roll those triceps out very nicely. Really find a good spot. So you don't always have to roll out. It's not because the sleeve is turning that you have to roll it out. You can always just like find a good spot on your tricep and just move that muscle. Maybe you want to like rush into it, crush it, smash it. Those are typically the words that have been used for this type of work. But what you also want to do is try to hang on in that position and just try to relax, try to really make sure that the tension of those muscles get released. So 30 seconds is not a long time to hang in here. Right, so this is number 2. I also have another one in store which I already made a separate video for because we're talking about using a barbell for self-myofascial release. And we're going to use the barbell, so we might as well include it in this video. For this one, you're gonna want to find either a corner of your room or a landmine. So if you have a landmine attachment for your power rack, that's also great. But if you don't, just have a corner to put your barbell in. That's also very nice. So I take my trusty barbell, boom, I put it in a landmine. If you have a barbell, you also have some weights. So let's take a plate and let's use that. And what I can do is I can roll that plate onto my body, and now I can start searching for those tender spots and really hang in here. So yeah guys, there you have it. 3 ways on how to use a barbell for self-myofascial release. I really like these ones. I keep on forgetting about them, so that's why I wanted to make a video just to remind myself and to remind you that these are great ways to relieve some tension of those pesky tight muscles. So thanks so much for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!